Hi, my name is Amanda and today I'll be doing a tutorial on joining multiple VMs in a work group on Virtualbox. So we're going to begin by going into the Virtualbox manager and adjusting some network settings. So you can see that we're attached to the host-only adapter and we're going to allow for virtual machines alone to be seen. And we're going to do this. We're going to apply these settings for all the virtual machines in our manager so far. So we're going to go into our server, open Network and Sharing Center, and we're going to turn on Network Discovery, File Sharing, and Public Folder Sharing. But we're going to turn off Password Protective Sharing for now. So we're going to go to manage our connections, right click, go into properties, and disable IPv6. We're going to click on IPv4, go into its properties, and we're going to enter an IP address for our server, which is 192.168.0.1, and the default subnet mask 255.255.255.0. We're going to click OK. Now close this, and next we're going to go into one of our other machines. So we're going to go into Windows 7, same Network and Sharing Center. We're going to go into Change Adapter Settings. We're going to right click on the connection, go into Properties, and enter an IP address. Before we do that, we're going to disable IPv6 again, and we're going to edit the properties for IPv4. So we're going to enter the IP address 192.168.0.2, which is the next IP address in the sequence. We're going to put in the default subnet mask, and our default gateway is going to be the IP address of our server, which is 192.168.0.1. It's also going to be the address for the preferred DNS server as well, which is 192.168.0.1. So we're just going to click OK. I'm going to close off this and go to one of our other machines. So go into our Windows XP machine, go into our internet connection. We're going to right click to access our properties. And we just have the one internet connection here, the one internet protocol. So we're just going to go into that properties and enter an IP address. So we're going to go with 192.168.0.3. The default subnet mask and the default gateway is the address of our server, which is 192.168.0.1. It's also going to be the address for the preferred DNS server. So we're just going to click OK. Close off that. Now we're going to go to our sister machine and do the same thing. So we're going to our connections, properties, disable IPv6, and edit the properties of IPv4. Here we're going to enter the following IP address: 192.168.0.4, default subnet mask, and again the default gateway is the address of our server, which is 192.168.0.1, and also the address for the preferred DNS server. You're just gonna click OK. Now you can see in our server machine that all of our machines are seeing each other and communicating with each other. And although you cannot see it on the demonstration, I went into the Vista machine, the XP machine, and the Windows 7 machine, and I saw that they were all communicating with each other as well. So each machine can see each other. So this is how you add multiple machines to connect with each other on Virtualbox. This was my tutorial, and thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed.